So if you can't do a video call on Instagram, I'm going to be explaining why, and I'm going to be giving you some solutions as to how you can start video calling on Instagram. So the first thing to take note of is that when you want to video call someone on Instagram, you have to be fully connected to them on Instagram. Instagram doesn't want you to just be able to video call with anybody. So they make sure that you're connected by either you having a conversation with them, you following them, and things of that nature. So if I just go ahead and scroll down to a random account on my newsfeed and I tap on their profile and then I tap on the message button, you can see that there's no option for me to video call this account because I'm not fully connected with them. But if I go out of here and then I go to my messages by tapping the little aeroplane icon at the top right, and then I tap on a conversation. With this account, I have had previous conversations with and I am following this account. So you can see the video call option at the top of the screen for me to be able to video call this account. So you might be asking, do I have to follow every account that I want to video call? And the answer is no, you don't have to follow them. You just need to be connected. So either they sent you a message and you replied, or you sent them a message and they replied and you had a conversation. That means you're connected and you will be able to do a video call with them. Now, if you've done all of those things and you still can't video call, what you can try and do is go ahead and make sure you're running the latest version of Instagram. So to do that, you'll need to go to the App Store on your phone. So in my case, I'm on an Android device, so I head to the Google Play Store, and then in the search bar I want to type Instagram to search for Instagram. Then you want to make sure that it doesn't say update but says open. That means you're running the latest version of Instagram, and then you can go ahead and relaunch Instagram and see if you can video call. Another quick fix is to just log out and log back in again, and then the final thing would be to clear your cache. Now I've done a video of how you can clear your Instagram cache on Android and iOS devices, and I'll link it up in the card right now. So you can go ahead and check that out. But this would be the fix if you can't do video calls on Instagram. So if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.